The Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is a compact yet powerful tool designed for both photography and video creation. Before we dive in, make sure to check the price in the description below. With a 24.2 megapixel CMOS, APS-C, sensor and DIGIC X processor, it delivers sharp, high-resolution images with impressive detail and color accuracy. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, or photographer, this hybrid camera offers versatile shooting capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those who want high-quality results without a bulky setup. One of the standout features is its high-speed continuous shooting. You can capture fast-moving subjects effortlessly with up to 12 frames per second using the electronic first curtain shutter and up to 15 frames per second with the electronic shutter. This makes it a fantastic option for action shots, wildlife photography, and fast-paced video content. Autofocus is another major highlight. The dual Pixel CMOS AF II system covers 100% x 100% of the frame with 651 autofocus zones, ensuring precise focus on subjects, whether they are people, animals, or vehicles. Powered by deep learning AI technology, the camera can detect and track subjects automatically, making it easier than ever to get sharp, professional-looking shots with minimal effort. For videographers, the Canon EOS R50 excels in video performance. It offers 6K oversampled uncropped 4K movie recording at up to 30 frames per second, providing ultra-clear video quality. Additionally, it supports Full HD high frame rate movie recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture buttery smooth slow motion footage. The movie for close-up demo mode also enables quick and automatic focus switching to the closest subject, which is ideal for product reviews and demonstrations. Shooting in low-light conditions is no problem with the advanced A+ Assist mode, which expands auto-compatible scenes to help users capture stunning imagery even in challenging lighting situations, such as nighttime photography or strong backlight scenarios. This ensures that your photos and videos maintain a professional look, regardless of the environment. The 2.36 million electronic viewfinder, EVF, and Vari-Angle Touchscreen LCD offer a superior viewing experience, allowing you to compose shots effortlessly from various angles. This is especially useful for vloggers and creators who need flexibility in their shooting setups. With all these advanced features packed into a lightweight and compact design, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced photographers looking for a powerful yet user-friendly camera. Whether you're capturing stunning photos, cinematic videos, or vlogging on the move, this camera is built to deliver outstanding performance in any scenario. That wraps up this review. If you're interested in a Canon EOS R50, make sure to check the price in the description below and get yours today.